Hello viewers, now I am showing you how to a spreadsheet data save to another spreadsheet transfer automatically. Go to first Google Sheet, spreadsheet Google, ready to sign in. If you are not sign in with your account, create blank document, new need to fill some data. Now data are inserted. Let's copy same data to another sheet. For create new add sheet, sheet 2 is added. We can swipe sheet 1 to sheet 2 by click or any shortcut key. Okay. Then we are going to column A 1 to column C 23 to same on sheet 2. Go to sheet 2 on first box, click and here write equal to importance. Then you need to paste here the link of spreadsheet URL and select sheet 1 or another sheet name, the sheet name to sheet column name, column sheet position A to C. Okay, now copying sheet 1 URL, go to again sheet 1, click here. Okay, here with anyone editor of URL. Then next sheet, next go to sheet 2, click on first column. Here you need to replace the URL. Here 0 to equal. It's loading. Please wait. You can just remove 1, 21. Okay. Just wait for loading. Yes, that's are coming from sheet 1 to sheet 3. You can select the data by selecting 119. Just loading. Wait some time. Okay, it's coming. Sheet A to sheet C19 or 19, 18, 19, 20 was on the sheet A to 19. That's value are from 19 cell to 21 is coming. By sense you can see the total update easily. It's totally safety for your database. You can do anything with the new copied database. By here you can delete them, but it's not deleting because it's coming from another database. It's fully linked by them. By sense for this data, you need to update on sheet 1. Here update done. You can see changes on data sheet 3 to by change. Thank you viewers for showing this video. It's very simple. I provide the importance of this structure on video description. Thank you for showing this video. I hope you are enjoyed.